friends, welcome to Total IT Training YouTube channels. Today I gonna talk you what is web design. So why you could use of web designing, which types of web design, and what is the implementation in our corporate world.
If you are not subscribed to Total IT Training YouTube channel, so please subscribe, click on the red button to subscribe, and you will get any update of every video coming, so click on bell icon to connect with Facebook page. Search for Total IT Training and like it the page. And also you are type www.facebook.com/Total IT Training.
So web designing is using for making the website. Nowadays you see the lots of websites like Google, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Yahoo and many more. This all are website is design is called the website designing. So first of all you understood that what is website. Website is nothing but you have a sub identification like facebook.com. That time any person put the name is facebook.com. They open this website only for the facebook.com, not for others, and you are a owner for the facebook.com. Your own page and customizations are available in the particular name, that is called the website. So how to make the website and which types of website? Websites is the generally two types. The first type is called static website. Static websites you could not never change anything. Suppose one software engineer make the website and he's written some tags, he's written some images, he's written some modifications, he's written some navigations in our website, in our web pages. That is called static websites. Only owner can change each and everything. You could not. Suppose you are a user, you visit the website where you not change anything. You only read the content, you only see the content, but you could not change anything. That is called the static website. So nowadays you make the static websites, you have require some language understood. You have understood these types of language, you make the static website like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. HTML is nothing but it is a hypertext markup language. It's using for making the front body in our page. Suppose you go for the lots of websites like facebook.com, like you go for the xyz.com, and any websites you go for the site like you go for the djvivek.co.cc.com, where you see the pages, you see the content, you see the images, you see the message, but you could not change anything. That's all the content is written is using the language HTML. The next is CSS, the categorized style system. It's using for different types of fonts you use for our making the pages. You have required different types of font styles. You have required different types of colors and customization that do by the using of CSS. Short script you make by the using of CSS in our HTML. And the next is JavaScript. It's using for scripting. Suppose you go for the lots of websites, the content forms are available, and where you put the name, last name, mobile number and address and etc. and you click the send. That time you click the send, all information sent for the admin, and these types of settings do by the using of JavaScript. So these types of content we will cover in static website making. The next module is come. The module name is dynamic website. So dynamic websites is always using for making the dynamic website. Suppose you see there are lots of dynamic websites like Facebook, Google, Twitter, Instagram and etc. This all websites is the dynamic website. According for the user requirement, user customize the setting. Suppose your requirement in our Facebook DP is not well, you go for the profile and change the profile. Suppose your requirement some status you update, you go for the Facebook in our profile and update the status. This is called the dynamic website concept. So you have make some dynamic website. That time you require the languages like PHP and ASP.NET. This both language generally using for making the dynamic website. PHP is a open standard and ASP.NET is a Microsoft proprietary. Nowadays time suppose you using for ASP.NET, that time you purchase the software by the Microsoft. And this both language you use to make the dynamic website according for your user is put the username and password and change the on profile. And the next module is come is called the website. The website, now suppose you make the on page like static and dynamic according for your documentation you make it. Your documentation this page is I host in publicly. So that time you require making the website, and that time you go for the website, the concept is come hosting. The hosting is nothing but the one identity in our website. Suppose for example xyz.com. This xyz.com owner, you are a owner of the xyz.com and you have deploy anything in the xyz.com, and any person put the xyz.com, he see the on making in our pages and customization, just like facebook.com, google.com, etc. all are the hosting websites. And the next is search engine. Search engine is nothing but is searching in our website. Suppose you go for the Google, Bing, Yahoo, where you put the website name, automatically come for the this types of search engines, and these types of websites are hosting for our website. So how could you host? I will tell you. If you have any questions, so please put down my comment box. If you like the video, so please like it and share it, and don't forget to subscribe Total IT Training YouTube channel. So thank you all of you.